So the obvious question is, do Australians care about climate change? And repeated surveys since 2006-07, when they started collecting this data, suggest that a majority of people do. But then if you start asking them, are you willing to pay higher fuel prices? Do you think there should be a carbon tax? Numbers drop. And numbers especially drop when there are concerted, noisy, well-funded opposition campaigns to specific policies. And we saw this in late 2009 against Kevin Rudd's carbon reduction pollution scheme, a bit of a mouthful. And then again, infamously, in 2011, when Julia Gillard had an emissions trading scheme on offer as part of her Clean Energy Futures package. And then there have been other flare-ups since then as well. But as I mentioned earlier, this has become a real culture war. The people who are sure that climate change is happening are largely going to vote Green or Labour. However, there are now serious moves afoot, or were moves afoot within the Liberal Party, Liberals for Climate Action and so forth. And this was especially clear after Malcolm Turnbull was toppled as Prime Minister in August of 2018. Whether those movements, whether those organisations can sustain their momentum and morale in the face of the re-election of the Morrison government remains to be seen. We should remember that Scott Morrison in February 2017 brought a lump of coal to Parliament against parliamentary rules. A lump of coal had been provided by the Minerals Council of Australia, which has its headquarters very close to Parliament indeed, no symbolism there, and they had lacquered the coal so it didn't smudge, because it would be kind of awkward if you saw how dirty coal actually is. I'll stop there for now.